Hi guys, my name is Amazing Prosper. How are you doing? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a forex day trader in Lagos, Nigeria. So last week was an amazing week in my trading career and it was massive. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification and hit that like button. So I want to leave you guys with this. If you're a forex trader and you have maybe you've blown account or you lost a profile recently, please listen, never give up. Always watch the chart. Even if you're not doing anything, always keep your eyes on the chart. Always keep chatting. Don't let anything take your eyes off from the chart, because once your eyes are off from the chart, you will start losing focus from trading. Trading is a deep business, like a very deep business that you have to understand that it is you versus you. Don't let anybody deceive you and don't let anybody make you feel like you're not going to be successful. If you stay strong, if you determine consistency and also know that without you, you can't get that result that you're looking for. No signal can make you rich as a profitable forex trader. You are the one that will make yourself successful. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys how I traded last week. Amazing. Let's go. Welcome you guys. Welcome you guys. So how I traded last week was an amazing and it was very interesting. So as I said, remember what I did on the video, what I said, what I told you guys, you always have to look at your chart. By no means or nothing can take your eyes off from the chart for so long if you are a forex trader, or especially if you're a newbie, because the chart, I don't know any professional who don't look at the chart, because the chart is only what is going to pay you. Yeah, you can't make money aside from the chart if you are making money from trading. Yeah, because if you study the chart very enough, you will start seeing a pattern. And once you start recognizing a pattern, that's your breakthrough. Yeah, when trading. So very amazing. So what I do when I come to the chart is this amazing. The 4 hours is my main trend. Yeah, you can see on GJ. What can you see? You can see that the market is on an uptrend on GJ. Yeah. So the 1 hour is my main trend. 1 hour is where I found out what is happening currently. Yeah, the 4 hour is my main trend. As I said, the 1 hour is my current trend. On 1 hour, what I do is I find out what is happening currently. So sometimes 1 hour may be selling, yeah, maybe dropping aggressive, like something like this. You can see this move. The market may be falling on 1 hour, but on if you go on 4 hours, what you see is a bullish trend. Yeah, which is fine. But sometimes that's a major retracement, like what just happened somewhere here. Somewhere here, you can see this market was dropping from here and reached here, then started going rallying up to the upside. Yeah, so but last week was some crazy thing. Market was a kind of consolidating, but the consolidation was a kind of peak. Like you can see that the market was consolidating, but the pips were aggressively, but the market was consolidating because from here the market opened on Monday. Yeah, sorry, the market opened on Monday. This is Tuesday. Yeah, market opened somewhere here. Yeah, so somewhere here the market opened here and started reach to this point and drop aggressively to this point. Started playing around, playing around, and reach to this point and drop again. Now see where the market is. The market is here. So many people are looking out for a buy opportunity from here. But finger crossed, I don't predict the market ahead of the time. All I do is position myself to take profits. I position myself to take profits. Yeah. So what I do is very pretty simple. I don't like predicting the market ahead of time because I don't know what is going to happen. I don't have that mindset of this is certain what is going to happen. Start drawing patterns. No, what I do is that I know what I'm expecting. If the market reach here and started exalting and showing me a bullish momentum, then I'm going to be jumping in for a buy opportunity. What about in a case where the market break out this zone and returns here? I'm going to be jumping in for a possible sell opportunity. So that's it. I'm a trader. I can buy, I can sell. That's freedom. That's what I love about trading. Yeah, you can buy, you can sell. This is a mindset that I'm teaching you guys right now. Have this mindset that you are a seller and also a buyer in the forex market. Don't allow the market to trap you into focus only on one thing. Yeah, so I'm a buyer, I'm a seller, as I said. So pretty simple. I started trading on Tuesday, which is somewhere here. So I got in here for a sale opportunity, but here was very painful. So it was painful here. I won't lie. So let's go on 15 minutes. Let me show you guys why it was painful. In as much as I left it like a winning trade. Yeah, it was a winning trade, but I didn't maximize this opportunity. It was very painful. I hate what I did last week here. So I brought in a possible, see what made me brought in here. Chart pattern. M. chart pattern. In as much as remember what I told you guys that sometimes the leg doesn't complete like let me show you guys. Sometimes the chart pattern that I create is M and W this way, this way. But sometimes the leg doesn't complete. Like sometimes the leg doesn't complete this way. Sometimes it will be like this. And that's what happened here. That's what I saw here. I've already missed this one. So I saw this one and I know that possibly this market is not going to come out with this kind of type of candle that the market created here. Yeah. So I jump in for a sell opportunity here. But what I did was I did something that I didn't like. I jump out from here. Reason because I saw this and I was like, maybe this market wants to come back here to create an equal high. So let me jump out and wait for this possible retracement to this zone so that I will get in. That's where I got trapped. That's where I got trapped. Very trapped. I was bitter like throughout Tuesday. I was like, what is happening? What just happened? What just happened? Yeah, that was on Thursday, not Tuesday. Sorry, if I'm not mistaken. That was on Thursday. What is happening? Why is it showing? Okay. That was on Thursday, yeah. That was on Thursday, not Tuesday, sorry. So I was very bitter. I was very bitter. Yeah, I was like, bro, what is happening to me? Why would I miss this kind of opportunity? Yeah, this market started dropping that if I was here and held it in long enough, like if I put my stop loss and forget it and leave my phone for the whole week I will be on profit. For the whole 2 days I will be on profit. Like I will be riding on big profit. But it is what it is. I've learned a lesson. That's why my mentor always say this. All these things we know it, but I don't know. You don't think why you are trading. You don't think you have got in, leave it. So that was how I traded. I didn't get the opportunity to trade on Tuesday. So okay, on Wednesday, I was looking for a sell opportunity. It's like I lost money. Yeah, I lost money here. I lost money here on Wednesday. Yeah, I was looking for a possible sell opportunity here. I brought in already because of the candle again. You can see all I do is whenever I see the chart pattern that I trade, I get in. And then I don't hesitate, I get in. But after the market have taken my stop loss, because my stop loss was so close. After the market have taken my stop loss, I found out that what I did wrong was I was selling above the psychology level. Yeah, above the psychology level. Sometimes it work, yeah, sometimes it won't. But on GJ, I found out that most time that I try to sell above the psychology level, it doesn't work for me. Yeah. So that's some certain lessons, some certain pattern that I've understand that is working on GJ. That I from now I'm going to be paying close attention. I will not sell above psychology level and I will not buy below psychology level. I must wait for them to put that psychology level and come on top. Or if it's possible something like this, then that's where I'm possibly going to get in. So this one I did a mistake and I made money, but it wasn't much. It wasn't I didn't maximize the opportunity. It was painful. So here was a possible retracement to this zone again. I was watching it, but because of that thing, I said no, I'm not. I'm just going to sit and watch this thing to happen. And it happened. It started dropping and aggressive. Yeah, so on Friday was NFP day. So NFP very pretty. So other thing I do is this: whenever you are trading, you have to watch the candle. You have to watch news. So this is where we get news events. So if you want to check news events, you go to forexfactory.com. Yeah, this is where I watch my own news events. You can see Friday. Yeah, so you can just put this like you can just use this month and find out where the news. Yeah, so this is the calendar. So let's check Friday, Saturday. So let's check on Monday, which is on 4th next week. So this is next week. You can see how the news come up. Yeah, so from Monday to Friday. So from Monday to Friday, which is here, 8th of September, you can see that the news event that we have here. So you can see that all these things are news events. So from Monday, we have all the bank holiday on US, which is USD. So some markets are not going to be moving aggressively the way it always does, the way it always do because of the bank holidays. So what about other days? So bank holiday is only on Monday. So what about here? You can see we have USD. So we have USD high news. The red ones are the high news. The yellow ones are the medium one. You can see medium impact, high impact. Yeah, so if you want to check the news, this is where you click, then you check the forecast and every other thing, what people are saying, all these things, blah 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 blah. So, but for me, I stay clearly out whenever I'm seeing this high impact news. Yeah, I stay clearly out. I stay away from it. So that was how I traded last week. So amazing. And this week, I've told you guys what I'm going to be doing this week is this. If this market once Monday open, start reach here, reach this psychology level, and I started showing a bullish momentum, then I'll be waiting for a possibly buy trade from here, because you can see, let's go to 1 hour. You can see where the market bounced from here to here. So I'm going to be looking out for a buy opportunity here once the market reach here. Once the market reach here, I'm going to be looking for a possible buy opportunity here. So once the market reach here and show a W, and I am start seeing a weak rejections, multiple weak rejection and bullish momentum, then I'm going to be getting for a possible buy that will take me up here, because this market is consolidating or break out this high. I don't know anything possibly. I'm just predicting. I don't know. So amazing. Remember, psychology level, I know I've talked about this, so you can check my videos on psychology level if you want to know how to plot it on GJ, on GBP, JPY, or on GU. You can see them. So but possible now what I trade is only GJ. Yeah, that's what I'm focusing on. So you come here, you check, and this is also where you do your proper position size calculator. Here you come here, you check, you put in your price. If you want to, if you're trading maybe a $1,000 account or $100, then let's say $100, you put your percentage here, you put the stop loss that the market is showing you, maybe 20 pips stop loss, euro, USD, anything. Yeah, so you can put, you want to risk, let's put a reasonable. I don't like putting those money because it doesn't show something. Let's, maybe you're trading a pro firm or your own capital, anything. So your stop loss is 20 pips. Euro USD, you can see you will lose $100 if the market goes 20 pips, and your standard lot that you're going to use is 0.5. So what this thing shows you is that it will help you know the standard lot size that you will use when getting in on a trade. Remember, when I started, some of us, when we started trading, we started putting all this random lot size 0.50, 0.1 standard lot, 50 standard lot in a small account. Before you know, you wipe your account. So you have to know lot size again to use. So that is how I usually trade every week. So that was how I traded last week, and this week is going to be amazing week. Remember, as I showed you guys what I'm waiting to do here. So that's all. So this was how I traded last week. So last week was amazing. Yeah, as I said, remember, keep your eyes on the chart. Don't let anybody distract you. Don't let anything to take your eyes off from the chart. Yeah. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Turn your bell notification. Hit that like button for your boy, please. It really means a lot to me right now. Hit that like button. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Peace out.